We going to experience Hollywood Studios for the last time on this trip?
Suspicious droids are subject to scanning.
Builders, raise your sabers.
Morning.
Where are we going?
To the pool.
Yeah,
And after that, we're going to go to Disney Springs.
Good morning. What?
That is some amazing hair you have there.
Yeah.
Awesome hair. Love it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we decided to take a little break this morning and do some swimming. Well, the kids are going to do some swimming. We are going to do some sitting and watching while they swim for not that long, maybe half an hour. Alright. Go pool it up, man.
Birdie fly. Birdie fly.
What is he doing?
So we decided to come to the pool for, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. Just let the kids play a little bit and then go back, let them take showers, and then we'll head over to Disney Springs.
And then later is Star Wars lightsaber and droid building time.
Oh no. Ball went flying.
Which looks...
Aidan is asking again what kind of lightsaber he should get. This is the kid who has gone from, I'm not getting a lightsaber, to, oh my gosh, I have to have a lightsaber, to, no, I don't think I'm going to spend my money on it, back to, wait a second, I think I want it. So we're actually going for the appointment tonight, but he can't decide the style of lightsaber that he wants.
I don't know what to do.
Jennings got a brain freeze.
We just got Dole Whip. They got a Dole Whip float. We got margaritas. We are just kind of taking it easy, shopping through Disney Springs a little bit, heading towards Terralina. All right, here we go. We're going to go try the new crafted, or I guess Terralina Crafted Italian. Pretty excited about this one. Looking forward to this pizza.
All right, so this place looks pretty nice. It's really empty right now, so it was pretty easy to get reservations. So, how was it?
Good. I feel like you're recording me right now.
So this is my spicy capicola pizza. It looks amazing with like a balsamic drizzle and such. Your eggplant stuff.
Yeah, that looks
really
incredible.
Really good.
Let's see a little bug.
Still hot.
Still hot?
Yeah. This cheese pizza is amazing. And also, in my country,
Okay,
Aidan
well,
can do
technically-
whatever he wants.
Thank you.
Good thing we're not in your country.
Yeah. Or else.
You're gonna kill us all?
No. But I would imprison him and then become the king of the country.
No.
I'm just joking, I'd be a bounty hunter.
Pew pew. Okay. Also,
Dan got the cannolis, but he is currently eating mine, which is the sandwich.
They're pretty good. Ice cream sandwich. That's a big ice cream sandwich.
It's a very big ice cream sandwich. All right, so we are at Hollywood Studios. I have to say, so this is Thursday. We have all day tomorrow and then most of the day on Saturday. And like, I'm already sad. I'm already sad that it's like so close to being done. We are going in to do Tower of Terror. We are going to do the droid. Oh, the Savi lightsaber thing. Frozen, sing along. I don't know what else, but we're gonna go experience Hollywood Studios for the last time on this trip. Well, that's different. It's now a Pandora shop. We're down Hollywood Boulevard, Sunset Boulevard, heading towards the Tower of Terror. And they've kind of revamped some of these little shops here.
All right, who wants to ride Tower of Terror? Little bug. Do you want to ride Tower of Terror, little bug? Oh, yes! Little bug's gonna ride Tower of Terror. Woohoo! Yeah! No. Yeah! Ready?
Let's do it.
Little bug, you gonna ride Tower of Terror with us?
Our kids are crazy. Go with Dad. All right, so we are walking through Toy Story Land to get to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge this time. So it's going to be kind of interesting to walk in a different path. But there's Woody. Hi, Jennings. We're all in our matching shirts today. What? And we are headed to go build a droid.
You can only see my arms.
All right. It was like jam-packed with people, and now it like filtered out. It's kind of nice. Be on alert, people. Be on alert. All right, we're headed into the Droid Depot because that's apparently what that says right there. For Jennings to build his droid. I think we have to go in the other direction, actually.
Pretty cool. So we are in the Droid Depot. Leslie and Jennings are in line up there.
Suspicious droids are subject to scanning. Operators, stay with your droids.
So anyone can come into the Droid Depot because they've got just a gift shop section. But if you want to build a droid, you have to get in line and pay first over here. It's $100.
I think I want this one.
That one's cool.
Now we need a body.
What color do you want the body? Do you want it to be red or black?
What made you go with an R unit?
Because on the BB unit, the head is smaller. Pizza resin skins to build a droid.
So you got
All you need to do if you want to decorate them is put these pieces onto here.
Yeah.
Activating. Want to press that red button there for me?
Are you doing it or is
I'm doing that.
This outpost is under observation by the First Order.
Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
Where are we at?
We are at Savi's workshop, or Savi's scrapyard.
Yes.
That's the code name for it.
Yes.
And we are here to build a lightsaber.
You chose the elemental?
Yep, elemental name. And I got this sweet pin. I don't want to take it off because I had sort of trouble getting it on before.
Very cool. And then we got this little card to get us in the thing. There's kind of a lot of people here, and they said they were all booked up, so we tried to check in about half an hour early. They did not let us, and they will not let anybody other than the builder and one observer, being me, in the room. So Leslie and Jennings are way over yonder. To build a lightsaber.
Welcome. I know the workshop is it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Now you might be thinking you're surrounded by a lot of old junk. Rest assured, some of this is new junk. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a direct reflection of the builder because the force flows between them. We will begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, and that is the kyber crystal. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. For example, blue is wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and we are told, Rey. Now that you've selected your kyber crystals, feel free to place them on the green crystal holder directly in front of you. We will begin by building a hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of your control.
beautiful? Next, we're going to choose one of the two sets of activation plates.
Good choice.
Can I do a final check for you?
I will take this for you. So this is your activation switch. When the time comes, you're going to
I'm excited.
You excited?
Uh-huh.
Look down at what you have created. These are reflections of you and your choices. This is the dangerous part of the process. Now I'm going to ask my builders and observers, everyone move away from the table, move away from your hills. Now this is a simple process, until it's not. There you are, my friend. She'll make sure she does the tricky part for you, don't worry. What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is time. We're at the final stage of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In just a moment, I will ask my builders to step forward. You will place your hands on your hilts, and together, on my mark, you will activate. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Then step forward, friends. Hands on your hilts, and activate. Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
Complete your lightsabers. Now, your destiny will see your own path. May the Force be with you.
waiting, right? Absolutely. Be well.
To inspire travelers. Thank you for joining us.
I got a little bit emotional, I'm not gonna lie.
Did you get that? Oh, yeah. How was it?
That person said, if your saber doesn't finish them off, the Rancor Tooth will.
Yeah. So, how,
So cool.
how
I
was
almost
it?
got emotional.
Really?
Yoda spoke.
Really?
Like he was flying around the room. Not like actually, you can see.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, very heavy.
Wow,
This is
that's
my
surprising.
Guess what we
So
have
I'm
for
ready to
you?
go and get my. I've decided I want a yellow fiber.
Guess what we saved for both of you?
Oh yeah, we saved you guys some popcorn. All right, so he is super excited. Just built his lightsaber, and now he is buying another crystal. Which color are you getting?
Yellow.
Why yellow?
Because I really want yellow, and I think it would look good with this.
I think it would complement it well. So we stopped by this little dockside diner place and got a snack on our way out. We got some nachos, chili cheese nachos, and got a margarita, and then we were going to pay for the Yenling, but it didn't pay us for, or it didn't charge us for any of it, so, I mean, it just charged us the dining plan meal, so who knows. Anyway, how's it taste? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good?
Eat some pizza and some candy. Eat some pizza. Eat some pizza and some candy.
Me too.